Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about while loop. So what is loop? So loop is basically a statement, the repeating process of a statement. So I have an image here, you can see. First of all, initialization. Let's say you have a variable and you have to initialize the variable. In C we know that variable has a type, right? Integer, boolean, float, any type, okay, char or character, okay. So you have to initialize the variable, let's say integer a, and then condition. So we have to give a condition, and if the condition is true, okay, then it will go to the statement, and then it will increment it, and then again it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then once again it will go for the statement. So you can see it's a process of continuing the statement, right, until it becomes false. When it false, you can see it will actually break the code. All right, so this is the diagram. Now let's go for the code so that you can understand well. Here hash include std.h header file, and here I'm going to say int main, and I'm going to say here return 0 at first. Set here, let's say x, and I want to set here x is equal to, let's say, 1, and I'm going to say a loop. So the while loop, so we have actually different kind of loop, at while loop, for loop, okay, do while. Now in this video we are going to talk about while loop. So here the while loop, so as I mentioned earlier, that a loop will be actually continue a statement until it fulfill the statement, okay, its condition. If the condition is true, then it will actually continue the statement. If the condition is false, then it will break the statement. That's it. Now here you can see we have while loop. Here I'm going to say that this x is smaller than 10. What it will do, it will actually continue this while loop until the x value is less than 10. When the x value will be 10, is more than 10, that time actually the code will break here, okay. So here we have to increment it also, and every single time we'll actually print the value. So I will say printf, I'll say as it is integer, so I have to say here %d, and I'm going to show all the output in a new line, okay. So \n, comma, I want to say x. Now let's execute it, and here you can see we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So if I say here equal to, it will actually show 10 also, okay. When it becomes 11, x plus plus, here the x value will be 11, and then you can see that 11 is not equal to or less than 10, right? So the statement is not true, false. So it will not actually continue the statement. It will break the statement and come here, return 0, and then it will break here. Variable, let's say v1, okay, and here I'm going to say the character will be, let's say, a, okay, and I want to show this character 10 times. So what I have to do, I have to write it, I have to printf it 10 times, right? Okay, I have to print it 10 times, but if I use while loop, I can do it within 3 lines of code. How? Okay, let me show you. So I actually want to show it 10 times, so I'm going to say here that is smaller than smaller than 11. So it will actually continue 10 times, right? Because when the x value is 1, it will show 1a, and then 2 2a. Okay, let me just show you. I'm going to printf, okay, let's go here, and I'm going to say printf. In character, for the character we need to say here %c, right? Okay, and I want to show it new line. So \n, comma, the variable is v1, so it will show 10 time, okay. Now let's go here and execute it. So I'm going to delete it and let's execute it once again. And here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 times. So we can print a 10 times. So we don't need to write printf 10 times. We can actually write 3 line of code, then it will actually print let's say 100 times. So we can say here 100. That means while loop or any other loop, for loop, do while loop, whatever you say, any loop will actually helps us to reduce the line of code, reduce the time also. All right, so that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.